G'day Australia. Behind us is the Live the All-For Adventure Dream Prize for Season 11.
Let's check her out, mate.
Well, mate, as you can see, this Isuzu D-Max 2019 model is exactly like yours.
Except a lot shinier.
Much shinier than yours, mate. And mate, when you've got yourself a good Isuzu D-Max with the tray on the back there, the Norweld tray, what we do is you've got to get some gear on it.
Well, we go to town with the accessory.
We do. So first of all, look at the bull bar, mate. That's a pretty cool bull bar, opposite lock bull bar, powder coated matte black.
Light bars.
Yep, XTM light bars. Heavy duty aerial.
UHF.
Yep, so that Uniden complements the UHF inside. Well, mate, let's go down the side and check her out. So we've got some Mickey Thompson mud tyres, mate, because let's face it.
This is the bit that keeps it on the ground.
Well, you're gonna enter some mud when you hit the adventure roads.
Absolutely.
All right, we've got the ROH rims to make it look sexy.
And don't forget the bit that everyone overlooks.
One of the most important parts, it has a fully kitted out, fully adjustable, heavy duty Outback Armour suspension kit to roll down the road on some of the roughest tracks in Australia. So, and we've got some mirrors on the side here. Don't forget, these are the Powerfolds from Clearview, extended mirrors for towing.
Yep.
And of course, we need towing mirrors because you've got to tow to live the All-For Adventure dream.
Absolutely.
You're gonna love this.
Old electric side steps.
How cool is that?
They are the bomb.
Well, you know, you have them on your truck.
They're great.
And mate, check this out. It's
Your
almost like,
Lecky bifold mirror.
look at this, it's like,
Yeah.
up goes side steps, down goes side steps, out goes mirror, in comes mirror. Oh, keep going down, mate, keep going, keep coming. Look, I'm showing here. Oh, it's got the Norweld tray, the beautiful Norweld tray, there's no doubt about it. And look, even the sides are all colour coded.
Yep, oh black, look at that.
Beautiful colour coded sides. It's got the water tank here. There we go. You didn't fill it up, mate. You got to fill that up.
Mate, this truck's flasher than my truck.
It is. Have a look up on the roof rack. It's the Rhino roof rack with the backbone. All right?
That's new.
Yeah, and if you have a look, we got the shovel holder, and of course, don't forget.
You might as well use the side step.
And don't forget, look at that.
Yeah.
Nothing but extremes for the Live the All-For Adventure dream. Now, mate, you can't go past the fact that you've got a Waco 75 litre dual zone.
Dual zone.
Yep, don't forget the dual zone. And of course, you know, you got to be able to run things. So you've got the full Redarc pack. You've got the battery isolator. You've got the Tow Pro unit. You've got all those units in here. Plus, you get these extra little bits from Redarc. All right.
Yep.
You also get one of these in the front, so you know what they are, don't you?
You can check out everything. So if someone crashes in front of you, it's like, it was your fault, dude.
Yeah, but not just crashing. You can record your whole Live the All-For Adventure dream adventure with that, facing forward. And then, of course, XTM. You can't go past a full quality recovery kit, but when you get out on the adventure, you got to have a recovery kit. Right, let's keep going this way. Have a look at this. You're gonna love this one. I know you love the ModBox. Season 11, mate. We used it on Season 11.
Storage to burn.
Yep. Nige used it on Season 11.
He did. He loved it.
He was impressed.
We had to pry it out of his nearly dead hands, didn't we?
So it's the MDC ModBox. Now this thing is a very compact, very capable little trailer. The rooftop tent comes with an awning on the other side. Now the whole idea of this, Simon, is it's compact, lightweight, hauls gear, hauls fridges, hauls whatever you want to chuck in the back.
Truckloads of storage, and it's a serious off-road trailer. Like,
it is serious.
Don't be fooled by its cute looks.
It's definitely not cute, mate.
No.
It's very aggressive.
Yeah.
It's got a good stance on it, independent suspension. The person who gets this, mate, is going to be able to go anywhere that Isuzu D-Max can take it, and it will follow without a problem.
Yep.
All right, let's go inside and have a look at the cab. Well, mate, there's no doubt about it. This isn't your run-of-the-mill stock standard truck. It's got all the fancy stuff.
Got the push-button start.
Oh yeah, push-button start. It's got the leather trim. It's got the electric seats. Seats go back, seats go forward.
Seats. Yeah. Mine didn't have electric.
Seats tilt back, seats tilt forward. Let's face it, controls on the steering wheel. This is the top of the range D-Max at the best of times. But it is also jam-packed with all the good features that you get in this prize draw. check it out. We've got the IGO CAM we talked about.
Yep.
Yep. We've got the Uniden UHF radio. Here, talk to you, mate.
Yep. Yeah, Jase, you got a copy, mate? Jase,
No.
come back.
No.
Jase.
Just put it up. I shouldn't have handed you it.
No.
Anyway, so we've got the Uniden UHF radio. Up the front here, we've got the Redarc Turbo Boost gauge. Check it out, mate, because this thing does have a turbo.
Yep.
Yeah, because it is a turbo diesel, don't forget, with plenty of grunt. Now, why has it got plenty of grunt? Because the boys at Just Autos
Don't drink her up.
have done a number on it. So it's got an awesome stainless steel exhaust from the boys at Just Autos. And of course, on the seats, we've got to protect your leather seats because you're going to be out in the mud. We've got some awesome
Supafit seat covers. Come and check out the awning on this side, bud.
Yeah, that is a Sunseeker
Yep.
shade awning, mate.
Perfect.
It's even, look at this, it's even Cancer Council approved.
Yep. It's even made for the dual cab. It's not this big thing that hangs out everywhere.
Yeah, it's a perfect size
Yep.
for the dual cab.
Yep.
All right, but
And you can jack this up a bit. That's probably down a bit low for our head. As simple as that, you know, you can just jack that up.
that's pretty cool. Don't forget, you're going to do some long range driving to get to the spot. You got a long range tank, mate, from Brown Davis.
Nice. Don't
Yeah.
leave home without that.
Definitely not.
Happy days.
Now, that's not all.
That's not all.
I know I keep saying that's not all. Well, it isn't. There's more.
Wait, there's more.
Check it out. Jump on, mate. You know all about these things.
Brand spanking new, out of the box.
So this is the Polaris 570 Ute four-wheel drive quad bike.
And we have done everything you can and shouldn't do to a quad bike on one of these.
Also, mate, we've got the 3.7 Nomad HS high-sided tinny.
Keep the crocs
Right.
out.
Hell yeah, and of course a full sounder package from Ray Marine, which is a chart plotter and a sonar. How good is that?
Got to find them fish.
And don't forget, we've got a 20 horsepower fuel injected Mercury outboard, mate.
Four-stroke.
4-stroke to push it along.
That's got to be it, mate.
No, it's not it. It's not. I know I keep saying there's more because there is, and there is more. What do we got? Well, we've got some Tonic sunglasses. We got an awesome Shimano fishing package.
Is that it now?
No, there's more. There's one more. $5,000 to spend in any BCF store across the country.
Wow. Can
Yes.
you imagine how much gear you can buy in a BCF store?
Oh, a
$5
truckload,
grand.
mate. A truckload.
So how does one person get to win all that?
So, how do you win? Well, first of all, you got to try and enter. Now, if you enter online, you get the first one for free. The rest of them, you get 10 by watching Season 11, All for Adventure, all 10 episodes. There's a keyword to find, and there's also keywords to find online. And you could be that lucky person that wins the lot. To live the All for Adventure dream, there are a few things that you need to have. A good start would be a tricked out Isuzu D-Max.
Just like mine, you're going to need all the right accessories to make a trip a whole lot easier.
It needs to be tough and have enough power to run all your gadgets.
And important things, it's like food.
Your vehicle will have to have the right upgrades to handle the tough terrain, to get you further off the beaten track.
Of course, you'll have to carry the toys.
And you need recovery gear to get you out of trouble.
And somewhere to sleep definitely helps.
And somewhere to store all that camping gear. It wouldn't be an All for Adventure dream without a boat and outboard.
You need all the gear to go fishing.
One lucky winner can win this whole shooting match. Collect keywords hidden online and in the show for extra entries to boost your odds. Clues and details are online, so register now and you could be living the All for Adventure dream.